All right, hi you guys. I have another setup I wanted to show you. So I got this unit off Amazon and I'm definitely digging it. And I came up with a different way to be able to use it and do pass-through charging once I get the GoSun power unit with the 12 volt cigarette lighter plug that also lets me have an input port on it to hook to a solar panel. But I'm kind of mimicking that right now with this setup, not using a solar power and pass-through charging. So this is the unit that I got off Amazon. And this piece here slides in here. But what they say is you cannot, because this also works as a charger. So let me get that plugged in. So there is a little plug right here. You just plug that in. Then I have an outlet over here. So I'm going to show you it just plugged into a wall outlet. Oops. So it's charging because this battery is down to 1 bar. But when I tell you that this takes forever to charge two 9 amp hour, 20 volt, 60 volt, flex volt batteries, I mean all day. It's crazy. But so go like this. Take that, and this unit comes with these two plugs. So you can either hook this up to your car battery, and it's a 500 watt inverter with these, or being plugged into this. Otherwise, this is going to no longer be 500 watts when you plug this one in. This setup like this makes this only output out of these ports 180 watts. So if we do this, and then we're gonna plug in, no, I don't want to do that part yet. I want to then take this that's charging the dewalt, the low one I have, and I'm gonna plug that in there. I'm gonna turn this on. Oh yeah, I have to turn this battery on. Okay, so that one I have set for 12 volts, green, 12 volts. Turn that on. Once that green light comes on, you can let go of that button. So now, as you can see, with the blinking light, it's charging this battery. So I can then also take, because I bought the E-tray for the GoSun Go, and so this works off electric. So let's actually grab a little water. I only put 1/8 of a cup of lentils in each silicone tray. Alexa, start stopwatch.
Your stopwatch is already running for 2 hours, 4 minutes, and 40
Alexa, restart stopwatch.
Okay, stopwatch started.
So now we're going to take this that goes to the GoSun and plug that in there, and we'll give it a minute, and then I'll show you when the power comes on here. There, it always takes it a second. So now we're giving power to the GoSun. So where earlier we were using about 14 watts running the battery charger and the GoSun Go E-tray, we're using 63, and I saw it move. Oh, whatever, about 63 watts. Say 63, 65, something like that. So you can run it like that. So I thought that was pretty cool. So if you take this piece out and use the GoSun, I'm getting the 266, so I could do pass-through charging on the solar panel. But now let's look at how this unit looks when it comes from out of the box. Turn that off. Unplug that. Unplug that. So this has the two little plugs for this unit. You're just gonna slide that in here and give it a tough push because this is hard to get out of here. See? Smack it in there. Now what we want to do, unplug that, because they say you cannot charge and run this when it's pulling juice off this. So turn that on so the power goes from here to your inverter. Hold that till the light comes on. Now you can use 500 watts. So that's it. That's what I wanted to show you guys today. Take care. Bye-bye. So I wanted to show you how the lentils came out real quick. So I can put this clip at the end of the last video. But there we go, and they're soft and tender. I already had tried them earlier. Here, I'll just go like that. So, see, they're nice and soft. All right, that was 50 minutes. Probably could have got away with 45. Maybe even a few minutes less, because I don't like them as soft.